everybody, welcome to Lotus Mind Zone. Today, we're going to go over the power of guided meditation to heal naturally your body from pain and sickness. Make sure to stay until the end of this video. You can't miss the last guided meditation on how to heal your body, relieve naturally pain and illness recovery. Once you are in a comfortable position, gently close your eyes. If it's possible for you to do so comfortably, you may place your hands on your pain. If it's not possible for you to do so, that's perfectly okay, just let your hands rest comfortably. Allow your body to relax and be still. Allow the muscles to soften and lengthen. Notice any sensations that arise anywhere in the body. Acknowledge these, ask what they need, pay attention. Avoid any judgment, just stay aware and sensitive to the messages the body sends. Allow your awareness to center in on your breath as you take a long deep inhale through your nose. Allow your breath to expand fully and hold your breath at the top. Whenever you're ready, exhale with a sigh. At the end of that breath, take another long deep inhale, breathing in through your nose as your stomach expands and holding your breath at the top. As it feels right to you, just let it go with a long, powerful sigh. Finally, at the end of this breath, do this just one more time, breathing in extra deeply through your nose, feeling your stomach expand as you hold your breath at the top, and when it feels right to you, just let it all go through your mouth. At the end of that breath, just return to a pattern of breathing that feels right for you. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth throughout the course of this meditation. Do your best to ensure that your stomach is expanding on every inhale and contracting on every exhale. Allow your inhales to equal the length of your exhales. Feel yourself entering into a flow with this breathing pattern. Breath is a fantastic ally for pain. In fact, when we focus on our breathing and we do it with intention, we often can find relief. While you stay focused on your breath, additionally allow your awareness to center in on the pain you are experiencing. And in this moment, just be honest with yourself. Let yourself really feel it. Use whatever words you need to that describe it. You can be mad at it, you can be hurt by it emotionally and physically. Whatever's coming up for you, in this moment, just let it. Sometimes our pain triggers a lot more than just the physical. Almost always a physical pain is tied to some underlying emotion. As you let yourself feel whatever is coming over you as it relates to this pain, now allow yourself to imagine your breath flowing into this area of your body. Bring the focus of your awareness to your breathing. Notice the depth and pace of your breathing. Allow your breath to become slower, softer, and deeper. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the nose. Allow the abdominal area to rise as you inhale and fall as you exhale. Inhale and feel the breath traveling down to the abdomen. Exhale and feel the breath flowing upwards and out of the body. Stay connected to the sensations and feelings in the body. Give permission for the body to relax and let go. Breathe in love. Breathe out tension. Breathe in harmony. Breathe out discord. Breathe in healing. Breathe out disease. Stay focused on the breath. Allow the breath to become slower and deeper. Breathe in love. Breathe out tension. Breathe in harmony. Breathe out discord. Breathe in healing. Breathe out disease. Release all self-judgment and criticism. Focus on breathing in joy and love. Focus on allowing the body to heal. Allow the thoughts to assist healing. Release and let go of any blocks to well-being. Allow yourself to sigh, let go. Focus on slower, deeper breathing. Release all self-judgment and criticism. Breathe in love. Breathe out tension. Breathe in harmony. Breathe out discord. Breathe in healing. Breathe out disease. Allow your body to be still and silent. Allow the body to share what it needs to heal. With every breath, allow the body to relax further. Allow a feeling of relaxation and calm to spread through your whole body. Be here and now. Allow the body and mind to flow together, creating a sense of peace and well-being. For in this moment, you are actually getting to the root of the pain. You are letting it feel heard, seen, loved, and accepted. And in doing so, you are letting yourself feel heard, seen, loved, and accepted. Spend as much time as you need to breathe in this soft green light into the area you are experiencing pain, and as you exhale, just relax. Do this as long as you need to, and when you are ready, very slowly and gently bring your awareness back to the room around you. Opening your eyes when it feels right to you. If you want to learn more about the power of guided meditation to heal naturally your body from pain and sickness, pain relief, visualization guided meditation, body scan meditation, healing, active body, body relaxation, body light, present guided meditation, progressive body, deep relaxation meditation, join the links below this video. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of guided meditation, healing, stress relief, inner peace and mindfulness, relaxation music, endless aura cleansing meditation, and much more. See you in the next video.